car is an official pace car of the 56th annual Indianapolis 500. It is a Hurst Oldsmobile powered by a 455 engine, automatic transmission. This car is one of 630 official pace cars. Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk-around, startup, and a drive video on a 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Now, this car is an official pace car of the 56th annual Indianapolis 500. It is a Hurst Oldsmobile powered by a 455 engine, automatic transmission. This car is one of 630 official pace cars, Hurst Oldsmobile pace cars produced in 1972. And it's one of only 220 produced with a factory sunroof. This car has power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. It's got the color keyed Oldsmobile rally wheels with the correct Firestone wide oval tires. This is one fabulous car. Cameo white, Hurst custom laser stripe and Hurst gold, black accents, grille, hood scoops, head and tail light bezels, twin sport mirrors in body color, vinyl Landau roof in antique gold. This car has a 323 rear axle, power disc brakes, rally suspension. The optional equipment is the Hurst sunroof with integral wind deflector, Hurst digital performance computer, Hurst auto security alarm system, Hurst wheel guard, W30 high performance engine with heavy duty cooling system. This is an absolute gorgeous automobile. I got the fact sheet right here in front of me that I was reading off of. This car has 92,000 miles shown on the odometer. It is absolutely gorgeous. Just a beautiful car. The top, the paint, the body, the interior, everything on this car is absolutely gorgeous. Sounds great, looks great. In fact, let's start it up for you right now. Beautiful black interior, bucket seats, factory console. Get the keys out of my pocket here. We'll fire it up. The horn, the wipers, the radio, bright headlight indicator, turn signals, the flashers, even the clock works. See how crystal clear the gauges are. Factory 8-track player with the Oldsmobile 8-track still in it. Indy pace car Hurst Olds dash plaque. Got the dual gate shifter, tilt steering column. Said dual sport mirrors. Tail light, turn signals. Car sounds great, looks great, runs great. This is probably one of the best examples of these cars that I've ever seen. Beautiful engine compartment. Got the Indianapolis Motor Speedway decal on the air cleaner. You see these cars once in a while, but not very often. And this one, like I said, it's got to be one of the nicest ones I've ever seen. Interior is beautiful. Headliner, visors, sail panel, package tray, rear seat. Got some original paperwork that comes with the car as well. Dash is in great shape. AC works. Got the hood lockdowns. See a little speck of water there. We'll take this beautiful car out and drive it. There's no bubbles, there's no blisters. I've walked around this car 10 times trying to find something to pick apart. It's absolutely gorgeous. That top is super cool too. I can turn that air off. We don't need that today. Not quite warm enough for air conditioning. I will have this car pictured and it will be on my website today. I'll also put it up on the hoist and take some undercarriage pictures on it. Sorry if you couldn't hear me. I didn't realize I had my microphone up on top of my headset, so. This is such a pleasure to drive. This car runs and drives great. Drive the car right down the road. Drives great, runs great. Radio works, air works, heater works. Just an absolute fabulous car. 75 mile an hour right down the highway. 72, 75. Just a gorgeous example. Kinion Classic Cars, we're in Clarence, Iowa. Phone number here, 563-452-2450. Our website is www.kinionauto.com. K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. 455 automatic, steering brakes, factory air, tilt steering column, factory AM/FM radio, factory 8-track player, and like I say, one of 220 produced with a factory sunroof. So if you're looking for a rare bird, this is the one. Body paint interior in this car are absolutely gorgeous. Sounds great, runs great, drives great. A real special car. like you'd be hard-pressed to find a nicer one of these cars anywhere. No slouch. She gets up with the program. What a beautiful car. Just such a pleasure to drive. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Again, 563-452-2450. KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. And those of you who have subscribed, thank you very much. Greatly appreciate that. I hope you have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you very soon. Thanks for watching.